The April 15th deadline is fast approaching. If you're moving away from the big tax software and using FreeTaxUSA this year, you're not alone. But even on a budget-friendly platform, reporting crypto can be tricky with the new 1099 DA requirements. Don't worry, filing with Koinly makes it simple. Hello, I'm Nelly, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to report your crypto gains, losses, and income using FreeTaxUSA and Koinly. FreeTaxUSA is a great low-cost option, but it does not calculate your crypto totals for you. This is where Koinly comes in. First, you need to get your reports ready in Koinly. Sign up, ensure your settings are set up for the US, and connect your wallets and exchanges. This year, it's vital to upload any 1099 DA forms you have received from centralized exchanges. Your 1099s from exchanges often lack cost basis, so Koinly will reconcile that data to ensure you don't overpay. Once your data is synced with Koinly, go to the tax reports page and download your IRS report Form 8949 and your Schedule D. If you earn rewards like staking or mining, you will also need your complete tax report. Okay, now let's head over to FreeTaxUSA. We will start with the capital gains and losses. Go to your Income tab. Under Common Income, select Investments and Savings. Select Add Investment and then choose Crypto, NFTs, 1099 DA. Name the wallet or exchange you're reporting for and select Summary. Now look at your Koinly 8949. This year, your transactions are split by exchange and by categories G through L. You will need to repeat these steps for each separate 8949 Koinly has generated. For each one, select the correct checkbox from G to L as shown in your Koinly report. For proceeds, enter the figure from column D on your Koinly Schedule D. For total cost basis, enter the figure from column E on your Koinly Schedule D. Okay, select Save and Continue. If FreeTaxUSA asks about adjustments or wash sales, answer based on your specific circumstances. But remember that Koinly has already factored these into your 8949 totals. Repeat this process until every exchange and category from your Koinly report is entered. Okay, next up, we want to report any ordinary income from crypto like staking or mining rewards. So stay on the Income tab and look under Uncommon Income. Select Other Income. Answer yes to the question, do you have any ordinary digital asset income? Now enter the total figure for your digital asset income found in your Koinly Complete Tax Report. Select Save and Continue. And please note, if you received a 1099 miscellaneous for crypto income, you may need to report that separately to avoid double counting your income. Finally, remember that you will need to attach your Koinly Form 8949 and Schedule D to your FreeTaxUSA return before you hit submit. And that's it, you've successfully reported your crypto using FreeTaxUSA. I have linked the written guide down below if you need to double check these steps. I've also left help resources in the description of this video, like our help center, Reddit page, and the contact us section. Good luck with your filings, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.